We're back at the launch field and we're going to get a couple more launches in before this windy day's over. Today we're going to be starting with the 3D printed Mars lander. This 260-gram behemoth will be flying on an Estes E12-4 and we're sending her up in 3, 2, and 1. For its weight, that thing can really scoot. It's all about finding the right engine. It seems to be coming down rather fast, so let's go get it. And here we are. No damage to the lander. But we do have some chute tear out here, and that was most likely due to the chute being deployed in this high wind. I forgot to put the altimeter in this time, so I don't have an altitude on that. I'll set it out here so you can get a better look at this thing. This Mars lander is quickly becoming one of my favorite rockets. And I'm going to get it flying again real soon, hopefully in a location where the lander can actually do its job properly. Next up is a 3D printed rocket that's called the Valkyrie. I'll drop a link below for the Thingiverse file for this rocket. The Valkyrie here is exactly the same height as the Falcon Commander, but it's twice the weight. So this thing's going to be flying on an Estes D12-5 in 3, 2, and 1. That thing got some serious height and flew straight as an arrow. Admittedly, I think I've lost it in the sun, so let's go see if I can find it. And here we are. Looks like we stuck the landing in the weeds. Check the altimeter, 678 feet. Not too bad for all that weight. And unfortunately, that's going to be the last launch of the day and our last launch at this field. As I was packing up, I was informed that model rocketry is prohibited in this park and our kind is not appreciated here. Having said that, I've been flying in this park on and off for exactly a quarter century, since 1999. And this is the first I was ever told that rocketry was not allowed. But after some research, it appears that the park came under new ownership in 2007, so I guess I have legitimately been flying Bandit for the last 17 of those 25 years. So that's where we're at for now, and hopefully a new field awaits us in the very near future. If you're interested in where I end up, feel free to like and subscribe and drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever been kicked out of your launch field, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.